Hey everyone, back again another video to help you out. This time I'm showing you how to take the steering wheel airbag out of this 2020 Chevy Express 2500 work van. This is being pulled from a junkyard for a customer who needs it, and in order to use this, if you're replacing the airbag, then you'll probably also have to reset or replace the airbag control module located, I believe it's underneath the driver's seat. On this, but that'll need to be replaced or reset. A lot of times those are one-time use only modules that require replacement if the airbag goes off. Anyway, to begin pulling your airbag, hopefully it hasn't gone off yet, make sure you disconnect the negative terminal on the battery to make sure that there's no kind of chance this thing's going to go off, and leave it set for a few minutes before you begin working on this. After that, I just have this simple pick tool that I made. I think it's made out of a piece of antenna. You might even be able to get away with a piece of coat hanger wire as long as you've got the straight edge or whatever. It may not be as sturdy as this is, but come to the side of the steering wheel and you'll have these little locating holes here, and just feel straight in there. You'll hear it when it hits a piece of metal. When you hear that metal contact, just press in gently and the airbag should come out just a hair. And if it helps you, put something in here to keep the airbag from popping back in while you're working the other side, but that's all the more it's going to come out. Come around to the other side, find your hole, and then find your hole, find the little piece of metal that are the little metal spring, and press on it. Now when you press on this, it's not going to shoot out at you, it's not going to pop out at you. You have to actually get a hold of the top of this, bear with me, and pop it out, and then you can grab a hold of the bottom and then just tilt it out to you. And as you can see, there's the little springs that you're pressing against down here through those two holes. That's what you're hitting there. Anyway, you'll then need to pull up on each of these little orange tabs on either side of the plug on the back side of this. Just little spring-loaded tabs, and it's a little hard to do one-handed. That one actually stayed up. So then this side here, raise it up, and it actually clipped on the other side again. But pull up on these two orange tabs, and it'll release this clip off the back side of this. Might actually be able to do it with your fingers. Oh, I got it with my fingers. And pop that off there. Now be aware too, sometimes if these airbags do go off, there's a lot of heat generated in here by this going off, and it can actually melt this plug. So if your airbag has gone off, there's a chance this plug might be melted, or that you may need to replace the clock spring, which is located behind the steering wheel. You'll have to remove this big nut right here and wiggle the airbag or the steering wheel off of the column, and then replace the clock spring back here too. But for our purposes, just taking the airbag out, that's pretty simple. So that's how you take it out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those down below. Drop a like if this helped you, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.